You can have the prettiest property in the world, but if you stop maintaining it for just a little while, nature starts taking it right back. Today we're picking up sticks, removing dead limbs, trimming low-hanging branches, and cleaning up sucker growth around the trees. It may not sound exciting, but this kind of work makes a huge difference when you're maintaining a country property. And let me tell you something, those low branches have a way of smacking you right in the face when you're mowing grass. Hello my beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today is one of those maintenance days that never really ends when you own property. The storms, the wind, old trees dropping limbs, sucker branches growing everywhere, it all adds up over time. If you ignore it long enough, the place starts looking rough. Worse than that, it makes mowing harder, walking harder, and eventually it can even become a safety issue. So today my helpers and I decided it was time to get after it. The first thing we did was simply walk the property and pick up sticks and dead limbs. Now, some people may look at this and think they're just sticks. But when you mow several acres week after week, those sticks become a problem very quickly. A small stick can damage mower blades. A bigger limb can bend something underneath the mower, and if you hit it just right, it can become a projectile. That's one reason I like keeping the property cleaned up. The other reason is simple. I take pride in the appearance of the place. I've always believed that when someone drives by your property, the outside tells a story about the people living there. One thing that really helped us today was the tractor. Years ago, I would have been dragging all these limbs by hand. Back then, you just did what you had to do. But nowadays, if I can use equipment to make life easier, I'm going to do it. We filled the bucket several times with limbs and brush and hauled everything back to the burn pile. And honestly, it's surprising how much debris accumulates over time. You walk around thinking, there's not much here. Then suddenly the tractor bucket is overflowing. That's country living for you. The work never completely stops. Now, another thing we worked on was removing dead limbs from the trees. Dead branches are more dangerous than people realize. A strong wind, a thunderstorm, heavy snow, ice, and suddenly those limbs come crashing down. Some can damage equipment, some can damage vehicles, and some can seriously hurt somebody. And that's why I try to stay ahead of it. Not only that, but dead branches just make trees look unhealthy. When you trim them properly, it opens up the tree, improves its appearance, and helps keep everything looking well maintained. Then we tackled some of those lower hanging branches. Now, if you mow grass, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. You're mowing along peacefully, and then whack! A branch smacks you across the shoulder or knocks your hat off. Over time, those limbs get lower and lower, especially on older trees. Sometimes you don't notice it until you're ducking every time you pass underneath. So we cut several of those limbs back to make mowing easier and safer. And honestly, once they're trimmed up, the entire property looks cleaner and more open. We also removed sucker growth around the base of some trees. Now, sucker branches are one of those things that can really make trees look messy if you let them go too long. They suck nutrients from the tree. They grow fast, and before you know it, the bottom of the tree looks like a giant bush. Keeping those cleaned up gives the trees a much cleaner appearance. It also makes weed eating and mowing a whole lot easier. You know, doing work like this reminds me of years ago. Back when I was younger, I didn't think much about property maintenance. You just did it because it needed to be done. But over the years, I've realized something. A property is almost like a living thing. If you take care of it consistently, little by little, it stays manageable. But if you ignore it, everything compounds. The limbs pile up, the weeds spread, the branches droop lower, the sucker growth gets thicker, and suddenly a small cleanup becomes a huge project. That lesson applies to a lot of things in life. A little maintenance done consistently saves you from major problems later. I was also thankful to have some helpers today. Big jobs always go faster when people work together. One person loading, one person dragging limbs, one person operating equipment. And before long you start seeing real progress. There's something satisfying about looking back across the property and seeing it cleaned up, especially after a hard day's work. Now, all those limbs ended up going onto the burn pile. If you own property in the country, you probably have one too. Over time, the pile gets bigger and bigger until eventually you pick the right day, make sure conditions are safe, and burn it down. Years ago, nearly everybody had burn piles. Nowadays, many people haul things away or chip them up. But out here in the country, burn piles are still pretty common. You know what's interesting? A lot of younger people today never really experience work like this, not because they don't want to, but because society has changed. Many people now grow up in subdivisions where someone else handles the maintenance. But when you own land, especially older country property, there's always something needing attention. Fence lines, trees, drainage, grass, roadways, buildings. The work never truly ends, but honestly, that's part of what gives a property character. Every improvement tells a story. Well, my beautiful viewers, we got a lot accomplished today. We picked up sticks, cleaned up dead limbs, trimmed trees, removed sucker growth, and hauled multiple tractor buckets full of brush to the burn pile. A hard day's work, but a satisfying one, and when mowing season gets fully underway, we'll definitely appreciate not getting smacked in the face by low branches. If you enjoy country living videos, property maintenance, tractors, lawn care, and real life projects, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.